Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by noting the specific error code shown during Windows Update failures. Write the code down for precise troubleshooting steps. Next, run the Windows Update troubleshooter and follow its recommended fixes. The troubleshooter often resets services and clears cached files. Also check that you have at least 20 GB free before large Windows updates. Low disk space commonly causes failures and rollback behavior. Finally, reboot the PC after these checks and keep the error code handy for further steps. Open an elevated command prompt to repair system files using SFC. Run SFC/scanno and wait for verification and automatic repairs to finish. If SFC reports issues, use DISM with Restore Health to repair the Windows component store. Run DISM online/cleanupimage/restore health and allow it to complete. After repairs, restart the Windows Update service and clear the software distribution folder to remove cached update files. Then attempt updating again and watch the specific error codes for remaining problems. If problems persist, manually reset update components by stopping update services. Stop WUAServe, crypt SVC, bits, and MSI server, then rename software distribution and cacheroot 2 folders. Next, download the standalone update or feature pack when cumulative update repeatedly fails on your device. Apply the downloaded MSU or CAB file with administrative rights for targeted fixes. As a last resort, perform an in-place upgrade using the Media Creation tool to preserve files and settings. After the upgrade, confirm.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.